Hi, in this video we're going to use the protractor to draw an angle that we want. So in the question it says draw the angle ABC where the angle ABC is 121 degrees. Now what do I mean by the angle ABC? Let's just remind ourselves of this kind of notation. If I have 3 points A, B and C, then if I draw a line between A and B and a line between B and C, then this is the angle ABC here. And the reason we call it the angle ABC is because if we follow the points A, B, C, you can see A, B, C, it's the angle sort of between these two lines, A, B and B, C. So in general, when I write the angle ABC, it's the middle letter where you're measuring the angle. So you can see we're measuring the angle at the middle letter of B. So that's what we want to do. If I go back to my browser, so we want the angle ABC is 121 degrees. Now the middle letter is B, so we want the angle to be at B, and we need to make sure that angle is 121. Now I've got my protractor here. The protractor allows you to measure an angle. So you put the center of the protractor, which is this kind of black dot I'm dragging here. I'm going to put that at B because that's where I want to measure the angle. So that's pretty close. Yeah, a bit more up. There we go. Yeah, that's better. And then what we do is we drag this kind of red dot to kind of rotate the protractor. So we're rotating it around that point B, and we want the 0 degrees on the protractor to line up with that black line there. Because now what that allows me to do is to kind of read off 121. So if you kind of read off the protractor and look for 121, I can see that it's kind of about over here, isn't it? 121 is about there. And you put the other black dot so that it's going through here. I could put the black dot on B, or it doesn't matter as long as my straight line is going through B. Now we have got an angle of 121 because you can see on the right protractor you've got 0, and then the other line, the back line we got is at the 121 degree mark, which is the angle that we want. So if I submit this answer, yeah, I got some confetti. I got it right. Oh, I just finished my task. But yeah, that is the right answer.